Welcome to the Pan Pacific Hotel in London. We stayed here for 11 nights earlier this summer and really enjoyed our time in this beautiful skyscraper oasis located in the city of London, which is the financial hub of this beautiful world capital. We'll give an overview of that neighborhood, including a King Deluxe room tour for the room we stayed in, a summary of the pool, the gym, some of the restaurants in the hotel, as well as our tea experience at the Orchid Lounge before giving an overall conclusion. So make sure if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and join us for more Bon Vivant adventures. As you can see, the views from this hotel can be quite stunning. Our room looked directly at the Gherkin or egg-shaped building here in the heart of the city of London. The hotel is Singaporean inspired with traditional British influences. It is truly a luxury destination right off of Bishopsgate here. You're looking at a historic building that's now the Andaz Hotel. Your steps from Liverpool Street Station. You're close to great restaurants and great markets, including Spitalfields here. There are tons of other great things to do and see when you're in the city of London, including a stop at London's version of Italy. But we're focused on the Pan Pacific Hotel, so let's start with a room tour. Hey, what's up everyone? We just checked in today at the Pan Pacific Hotel here in London. We have a great view here in our room. Just thought I'd give you a quick little room tour and let you see what all of the in-room amenities are all about. So we just have the most basic room, which is, I think, a King Deluxe is what they call it. And it's a little under 500 square feet, which I don't know how that's calculated in meters, but I'll let you do the conversion. But basically here, the front door, you've got your switches from everything from do not disturb to a master power button to a make up the room button even, and a hallway light button. So pretty nice features when you first come in. We obviously are traveling with a stroller, so the entryway is fairly congested, but there are two umbrella hangers right here when you first walk in, and a nice big closet with lighting, and really creates a nice touch to the space. Some shoes and obviously some nice robes as well. We decided to fill this up with one of our 4 suitcases, so you have to forgive the clutter throughout most of this, but just wanted you to get a sense of what this room is like. The bathroom in particular is stunning. I really like the heated floors. There's a heated towel rack right here, and the open space here in the shower is really nice. Haven't taken a shower yet, but my wife did earlier today, and she really seemed to like it. And then a separate area here for the toilet. So, in a really nice space too. And it also gives you some ventilation here at the top. Overall, the bathroom is a real hit here in this room. Here's another hit in the room, little baby Sebastian. Can you wave, Sebastian? Can you wave? No? Well, he's been tearing up this room already, but I'll just show you the coffee bar in the hallway. It's got tea, coffee, and then over here's the mini bar. We've loaded it up with masks and paper towels, you know, all the supplies you need when you have a small child. But the mini bar is pretty nice. I mean, of course you have to pay for all this stuff. It doesn't come complimentary. And this is the only space for a refrigerator here, by the way. So if you're coming here for a long period of time like we are, we're staying for a week and a half, you typically want some refrigeration space, especially for a small child if you have, you need to store milk or something. So that's one downside to this room. I wish there were more refrigeration options. The coffee though is on point. Great tea options, great coffee. So I've already enjoyed one espresso here, as you can see. Ignore the milk, but yeah, it's nice. And then they also include some books for your reading pleasure. All right, so now we've got the main living space here of what's basically a kind of small studio apartment, and as you can see, the little man has been busy throwing stuff all over the place. But basically 2 side tables, a really nice bed, And just a nice big open space. You see we brought our travel crib, that's over there in the corner. And then this view is just incredible. The furniture here too really maximizes the space. Hi, Sebastian. And with the couch at the angle that it's at and the shape that it's at, it's just perfect for this corner. Then there's this chair, and right here is a plug-in too, which is really nice. And also what's really helpful for us Americans who don't have British plugins is the USB plugins as well, which I really like. I'm not using it at the moment, but it's going to be really helpful, especially when my wife's here with us as well and needs to charge something too, and we only have one converter. So you can see Sebastian really likes the corner too. Nice big TV that you can pull out from the wall. But overall, the space is very cozy. As I said, a little under 500 square feet, but it's really nice. One of my favorite features so far of the room is the curtains. So if you just press one of those buttons, I think it's that button that did it, and now you have automated curtains shutting. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to turn it back right now since it's daytime. I'm still trying to figure out how to actually do it, but there we go. Now it opens right back up. So we're enjoying the room. There are obviously a lot of amenities and things to explore in this hotel. Speaking of amenities, let's first look at this gorgeous infinity edge pool. It's all on the same floor as the gym and the spa. The pool overlooks Bishopsgate. You can watch all of London life, including the classic red London buses drive by. They have children's swim hours. They have a pool menu you can order from. It's just so peaceful and tranquil in here. Even when it's crowded, it's still a great place to come and just put your feet up or swim a few laps. They also have a great gym on the same floor. There's a lot of technical equipment like this thing that I didn't quite know how to use it, but I still really enjoyed the gym. Let's talk about the food. The in-room dining experience was wonderful, great service, but as you can imagine, it's not cheap. Prawn Caesar salad was about 22 pounds and that mac and cheese was almost 10 pounds, but Sebastian loved it. As for the restaurant, Straits Kitchen, as shown here, is the primary one. They specialize in Singaporean and Southeast Asian flavors, although they have plenty of Western options as well too, including these pancakes that Sebastian's digging into. We went here for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It was just a really reliable spot for us on the second floor, right above the lobby of the hotel. I especially enjoyed these Singaporean style noodles with seafood, squeeze the lime on top, delicious. Sebastian loved the big windows in the restaurant that overlooked the cityscape and the Gherkin building. It was just a really reliable spot, as I said, and they have a Sunday roast. They also have a breakfast buffet on the weekends, and I recommend the restaurant even if you're not staying in the hotel. It's a solid spot. Next door is Shiok. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Coffee shop, great pastry spot. Definitely check it out. It's affiliated with the hotel. Upstairs from Shiok was Silverleaf, a cocktail bar. Weren't able to get into it because of our baby. Same with Ginger Lily. These bars both looked fantastic. Great spots for cocktails, but we had to settle for tea. Look, I'm not complaining. Tea at the Orchid Lounge right off the lobby of the Pan Pacific Hotel. It was exquisite, super luxurious. They offer two different styles of tea, Kopi Tiam, which translates to coffee shop and are commonly found all over Singapore for guests to enjoy teas, coffees, little bites. We wanted to experience that as our signature afternoon tea experience, so that's what we went with. They also offer the traditional British teas with sandwiches, like a cucumber sandwich. They were so nice and gave us those as well for our little guy to munch on. Look at these cute little doggy treats. That's a cotton candy ball right there. You see Sebastian really enjoyed the sandwiches, and there you go, clean plate from the little man. We had 2 glasses of champagne. I, of course, went with the oolong tea, which I really enjoy. These little dumplings with the sauce was awesome. Just really nice savory treats. There's a pork bun and also some spring rolls hidden under those greens right there. You get a better shot from this view. It was just a really refreshing Southeast Asian take on tea, a little bit different from your traditional British experience, but the desserts, look at these desserts, how pristine and exquisite. We actually went before Queen Elizabeth passed away. She was celebrating her Platinum Jubilee at the time. I'd give the whole tea experience a 9 out of 10. It's up there with some of the better ones I've been to, including at Brown's, Rosewood, and Langham. So definitely check it out if you want more of a unique tea experience that still respects the British tea tradition. So in the end, what would I rate this hotel? 9.5 out of 10. I'm giving it such a high rating because over the 11 nights that we stayed there, they delivered consistently every single day such a high quality level of service and hospitality. We never had one issue, and that's a long time to go without having a problem. So everything you can expect from a 5-star luxury resort, except you're in smack dab in the middle of London in a business district, not far from the touristy areas, but this hotel has it all. You don't even need to leave. The food, the pool, the gym, the views, you just soak it all in right there from the comforts of your own room. So I think it's safe to say we'll be checking back in again sometime soon, hopefully. But for now, please like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, and follow us on more adventures on Bon Vivant. We'll see you next time. Cheers.